Can Akitas be trained to do tricks? Akitas, with their majestic appearance and noble demeanor, are known for being intelligent and independent dogs. They have a strong, dominant personality and are often described as being aloof and reserved. Due to their independent nature, many people wonder if Akitas can be trained to perform tricks and obey commands. In this article, we will explore the topic of whether Akitas can be trained to do tricks. Training any dog requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. While Akitas may not be as eager to please their owners as some other breeds, they can still be trained with the right approach. Akitas are known to be highly intelligent and capable of learning complex commands, but their independent nature may make the training process a bit more challenging. The key to training an Akita to do tricks lies in building a strong bond and establishing trust with the dog. Socialization from a young age is crucial for Akitas, as it helps them become more comfortable with people and different environments. Gradually exposing your Akita to new experiences and providing positive reinforcement when they behave well can go a long way in training them to do tricks. It is important to start training Akitas at a young age. Puppies are more receptive to learning and are generally more adaptable. Early socialization and obedience training can help shape an Akita's behavior and make training easier as they grow older. Consistency is key when training Akitas, as they tend to be stubborn and may test boundaries. Setting clear, firm rules and consistently reinforcing them will help with their training. When training Akitas, it is essential to keep training sessions short and engaging. Akitas have a short attention span and may become bored or disinterested quickly. Breaking down the training into small, achievable steps and rewarding them with treats or praise can keep them motivated. Making training sessions fun and incorporating play into the routine can also help maintain their interest. Positive reinforcement is crucial when training Akitas. Punishment or negative reinforcement methods will not yield the desired results and may damage the trust between you and your dog. Rewarding your Akita with treats, praise, and affection when they successfully perform a trick or follow a command will create a positive association with the training process. Akitas respond well to positive reinforcement and will be more willing to participate in future training sessions. It is worth noting that not all Akitas will be interested in performing tricks. Each dog has its unique personality, and some Akitas may not have the desire or motivation to learn tricks. However, with patience and the right training techniques, many Akitas can be trained to do various tricks, such as sit, stay, shake hands, roll over, and more. When training Akitas, it is important to keep in mind that they thrive in a calm and structured environment. Akitas are not fond of chaos or sudden changes, so maintaining a consistent training routine and environment will yield the best results. Additionally, early socialization and exposure to different people, animals, and environments will help Akitas become more adaptable and confident. In conclusion, Akitas can indeed be trained to do tricks, although it may require more effort and patience compared to some other breeds. Their independent nature and strong personality make the training process a bit more challenging, but with the right approach, they can learn and excel at various tricks and commands. Remember to start training at a young age, use positive reinforcement, and keep training sessions